Hello guys and welcome to another video. In this video we are playing Need for Speed Unbound with Eddie.
Hi.
Subscribe to him on YouTube, Eduardo. His channel will be in description. And today we are gonna do some races.
Yeah.
Uh, the this I will not play with this Black Series. I want to upgrade this McLaren F1, so I'm gonna play with this one. I'm not gonna be so good because I'm playing on keyboard. What a car!
Wait a second.
Yeah, what did I just say? I'm not good on a keyboard. I
Okay, I am
can't
back.
drift that much. You see? I'm just understeering.
I can't get no traction. Ooh,
Buh, buh, buh.
yes.
I hit the same BMW.
Lion.
BMW.
BMW.
Oh, I spun out and I saved myself with the handbrake. I don't know how.
The bus nitros sometimes helps me, sometimes betrays me. Like I spin out, I do the bus nitros, and sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. It's bad. Very bad.
No, I just tried to save myself, but with the handbrake, but I did the worst. It was worst.
Yay!
I
I
don't
got
think this will
gold.
be a long video, because my PC is overheating and I have an ice pack on him.
Might not be a good idea, but
Yeah, I don't know. I think I will get it out of him.
how much horsepower do I have here? 1040 horsepower. Oh no.
The wait, the power supply is overheating. I don't know why. I think it's too small for the 4060 I have.
No, but
I I cannot have a good start on keyboard. I cannot drift in that turn. It's a fast turn and I can't drift.
oh no, oh no, 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 no.
What did you? I okay.
I have to be good in focus.
In those grip turns I can't turn.
Oh my. Okay, you have officially won the race.
What?
You have officially won the race.
Yes. Um I don't think he will be heard good.
Very good.
I don't know, I don't hear him good. And I don't think it will be the same. I think it will be the same on the video.
I got closer to the phone now.
I think this will be better.
Just hope that if I'm too close to the controller, to the phone, you see the controller. Because
It doesn't matter. Just to hear. It matters to hear you. For me to hear you. I
Okay,
don't know what car to get. The Black Series or the F1.
I got Aventador SVJ Roadster.
My PC case is I don't have the case on the PC, so it doesn't overheat. In my room are 31 degrees. And outside just rain. So
and in my room there are 32 degrees. It's still very.
And my phone is even full.
I can drift if I have much speed. I can drift. Yeah, I saw that. What did I just say? Like I said, I'm not good on keyboard, so there was a downforce that took my car down. Oh, I loved that drift. I just fucked up. Please crash.
Why?
I don't know. To close that gap. I'm like Verstappen now. No, you are like Verstappen.
Although I'm in a Lamborghini, not a Red Bull.
No, I nearly crashed. Where did you come from?
Crashed.
Okay. I didn't say it seriously, but
I did.
no. Why I'm pressing the handbrake?
I know, but I had a very big save. Very big. Let's go!
Eh.
Eh?
It could have been better, but so now I'm gonna upgrade my McLaren. I have $33,000, and I don't know. I hope I can make it 4,000 plus, 400 plus. Yeah, it's good, but I don't have any money now. Yeah, so let's go do some races. Now I'm waiting for Eddie to invite me in the playlist. We are gonna do a drag race playlist. We did one time a drag race, but we didn't like it, so we are gonna try it again. hear this many police? I'm gonna invite you.
Okay.
I think the next video will be with Formula 1 because he bought it and I have it, so we are gonna play.
Okie dokie.
I think with a challenge, I don't know. I'm gonna choose the McLaren. I hope it's
I choose Lamborghini.
Aventador SVG. That's good.
Roadster.
I don't know what. Oh, the time ran out before I can choose. I could choose, yeah. I think I am with the McLaren. Yes. Oh, there's a little Miata.
Yep. We both have V12s.
We did the same thing. Yeah, at the start, we don't need to steer. That's what I understand. Oh, that car just crashed into me. That you crashed into. If I didn't change the lane, I would have won.
Goofy, goofy.
But yeah. What engine do you have?
V12.
Oh, nice. It sounds nice.
Perfect shifting. Okay.
I perfect shift 2 times, but it only got once.
Oh my god. Ah! Ford Focus.
Yeah, I nearly crashed
I cannot
there.
leave. I cannot.
Oh. No,
Oh shit.
you don't have to steer. Only if there is traffic.
I try to steer to avoid traffic. I go straight into traffic.
Yes,
It
the
doesn't.
steering is so I don't know. So stupid in Drag Race.
I am red. I am yellow. I am
Nah.
stupid.
I just broke my shifter. I repair it. I'm a mechanic. Yeah, that second shift was not good. Oh, I crashed into you.
Fuck.
Again?
Did you steer? Did you see that?
Yes!
I tried to steer to avoid traffic. Auto steer just puts me into traffic.
I thought it was easier on controller to...
It is not at all. It is
Oh.
so difficult.
Try not to steer. I don't
So you
know.
want to go into traffic?
No, but a little bit. There is too much steering when you try to steer.
Auto steer does not want to avoid that.
Oh shit, I crashed. How? How many races? Only two.
Two left.
I don't know, they have to repair this steering shit.
Or just delete traffic.
Or,
That is
I think
way
it's
easier.
better to delete traffic.
Yes.
The second gear shift was a little bit shit, but... What was he doing?
BMW stop so that I can pass.
Yeah, so after I upgrade a little bit the McLaren, I will end the video. Oh, one more. Okay.
Yes.
This kind of drag race reminds me of Need for Speed Underground 2.
Need for Speed Underground 2 it was easier.
Yes,
I
it's
can
easier to steer and everything.
I can tell. Why am I so slow?
Whoa! I have airtime.
Yeah,
I had...
literally steered me into the wall.
It's steer... Wow, what a crash I had there. I'm with the wheels up. Oh, or not. Yeah, let's go upgrade the car. Or I think this is where I will end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, share and subscribe, and I see you guys on the next video. Bye.
Bye.